Hi, I'm Dr. Cath Watson, and today PD Insurance has asked me to talk to you about having difficult conversations. This happens quite commonly within the veterinary industry. A lot of the time it's around things like euthanasia, where we might be needing to talk to a client about why they should be considering putting their animal to sleep, all of those end-of-life discussions, but also around various treatment options. And in many cases it comes down to financial discussions, which are difficult for everybody. So the first thing I'd suggest with any difficult conversation, it's about learning to listen. And that's active listening, not just standing there being quiet, although that is really important, but actually listening to what the other person's got to say. Taking the time to digest it, to understand it. Slow down. Don't try and talk over them. Don't try and suggest maybe what they're feeling. Just listen. The second thing is be really clear what you want and how you feel. Conversations should start with I, how you feel, how you see things going, what you want the outcome to be. Don't try and tell the other person what you think they should be feeling or doing or saying. So be really clear, be sincere. We want to know what you're feeling, why you're feeling that way, and we can only do that if those conversations start with I. See the other side. So take that time to listen, to understand the other point of view. It doesn't mean you have to agree with it, but acknowledge that it exists. Ask questions, repeat back, show that you understand. Give something back, give some feedback. It doesn't have to be negative, even if you don't agree, but just showing that you understand there is another side to this argument. Things are not going well, tensions are rising, take a break. That might mean we all leave the room, go for a walk, maybe do some breathing exercises, whatever it is that helps you relax and take the time out to come back so you're in a better frame of mind. Ultimately, we all want positive outcomes out of these difficult conversations. That positive outcome's not necessarily the outcome that would be perfect for everybody, but we need a compromise somewhere in there because at the end of the day, we're all in this for the animals. Sometimes we have to agree to disagree, but it needs to be constructive. And then finally, everybody needs to look after themselves in this. Like I say, we don't always get the outcomes that we want, but we need to understand at the end of any difficult conversation that we've got an outcome that's going to benefit everybody in the best way it possibly can, even if it's not the best outcome that you want.